안녕하세요, Seppi예요. Hi, welcome back. In this drill session, we're going to learn about two vowels that might be quite difficult to learn for non-Koreans. Many of my friends who learned Korean from me told me that and are quite hard to pronounce. So I decided to make this video. I think Korean vowel is especially hard for English speakers because there is no corresponding English vowel sound match. Many people find this one to be similar to U sound, but when you make this sound, you're not supposed to pucker your lips making a small circle as if you are about to kiss someone. Imagine a huge dog sprinted toward you and just hit your belly with his head. I believe you're going to make sound, right? Or is it only me? Anyways, you can think of this sound as droning sound that naturally comes out of huge pain. Then let's combine this vowel with another consonant to have a better understanding. Note that is a horizontal vowel, that it lies beneath head consonants in terms of syllable structure. 그, 느, 드, 트, 뜨, 무, 부, 푸, 뿌, 즈, 추, 쯔, 으, 흐, 르. Here we have some exemplary words. 그리고, 스페인, 무릎, 어른, 트름, 그리고, 스페인, 무릎, 어른, 트름. Let's move on to the next hardship in Korean vowels. Sound is relatively easy to master because we can find many English words which already contain this vowel sound. For example, alphabet O makes sound in bacon, bacon. Alphabet I also does in circle, circle. A in another. And here E in keeper, and so on. I think almost every vowel can be making a sound in English if the surroundings help. To make it simpler, I would like to say that Korean sound is English sound without trailing R's. Please also note that we are going to use this upside down lowercase e symbol for sound from this time on. Time for examples. 거리, 머루, 버버리, 멀미, 더덕. 거리, 머루, 버버리, 멀미, 더덕. Yes, that's it for today, and see you in the next video. 다음에 봐요.